you and I are not going to be super productive anyway.
We're not super productive Monday through Thursday.
So, but that Monday, we're going to come in, we're going to talk about the game, we're going to laugh a little bit.
Right.
But a lot of people around here will be like, oh my God, I drink too. That's what you do.
You get the Pepto to your right.
That's right.
All right, Columbus Day holiday. Replace it with the Super Bowl Monday day off.
You think we'll have a COVID holiday one day? Do you think they'll do a COVID memorial holiday?
No, they shouldn't.
Oh, God, don't give them the opportunity.
Let's not talk about COVID. I don't want to talk about COVID anymore. And that's been like that for 3 years. Okay, coming up next. Hey, who's that dude trying to cross 6 lanes of traffic on the I-17? Did you see this dude? All right, now we know what he was running for. Talk about it next.
Rough Greens, ruffgreens.com/Chad. Go to Rough Greens, get a free bag of Rough Greens. That's what we did today.
What the frick was that?
The new world champion for being the oldest
She's
dog
like
in the world.
not even
30
phased.
years old. How insane is that? Now, dude.